Hello student, in this class we learned connection tool. So first I create a cylinder, press F4 to show the edges and then convert this as a editable poly. You can make connection edge to edge or vertices to vertices. So first I select vertices, press Ctrl key to select multiple vertices. I select these vertices by pressing Ctrl key and then click on the connect tool. Vertices to vertices connection is created. You can also create these connection edge to edge also. If you want to connect edges, so first select edge subdivision and then click on the edge by pressing Ctrl key and then click on the connect tool, or you can also use this setting button also. And in this cascading menu, first roll out for increasing connection numbers. And if you want to change the distance of these connection, you can use this second rollout like this. And if you want to change the position of this connection, you can use this third rollout like this. If you want to apply these parameters, click on the first button. If you click on the second button, these parameters will apply on the edges and tool is still active. You can reuse this, and third button for cancel this. I apply these parameters. You can also use cut tool to create connections. You can find this in the edit geometry section. It's a knife tool. You can create a freeform cut like this. You can also make vertex to vertex cut also. So first enable the snapping options and then click on the vertex. So it's create a vertices to vertices connections like this. And the third tool is QuickSlice tool. You can use this tool for creating connections. If you want to add a connection here, so first activate this tool and click outside the object first. So it's create a pinpoint and then move your cursor outside the object like this and click. So this tool create a freeform cut like this. So it's also a very useful and freeform cut making tool. Now we meet in the next class.